Takes me back to those days when we had to wear a mask.
$40. Not too bad, and it's cycled off. Not bad. If it goes for more than 2 days, we're doing better than the old Jaya Jipata. Good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. How's everybody doing? Look at this thing. It's an LG front load washer. All good. But look at this. It's a bottom washer. So dumb. It's got an extra drain over here and an extra water, hot and cold water hookup with an extra plug. It's an extra washer. Why do you need it? What are you gonna put in there? Socks or something? Let's see what it does. What? I cannot wait to run baby washer. 2 washers in one. 2 things to fail. Hot, cold drain. Another plug for it. This is awesome. So dumb. It's a little baby washer. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. For your toddler to do clothes. Do you know how much baby washer goes for? $700. Okay. Let's just start with the big one first. I mean, just to see what the big one does. We've probably got a bad pump. And also, pretty clean on the inside. They put it on the side and messed up the side, but I'm still just curious of what it's gonna do. The front door boot clamp is off. So they were probably going in it. So there's your little drain clean out. So you could take this little doohickey and let it drain. And then of course your filter unscrews right there. But we probably have a bad pump. Most common failure on these things besides water valves, which these water valves look great, almost like somebody's changed them before. But let's just see what it does. Speed wash. Lock. Let us do its thing. I can kind of hear this thing humming down here. But check this drain setup out. I guess you put the other drain from the other washer over here. Crazy. Cool. Oh, there it goes. Like, what in the what? Look at it. It's got like its own little suspension in there. And here's the model tag. This is awesome. If I had 2 hoses to run down there, I would hook them up at the same time just for the heck of it, to run them both at the same time, but I don't. So she's washing. I bet you it's a bad pump. Oh. Yeah, they're pumping pretty good. Maybe it's a baby washer problem. Oh, it didn't like something. Power failure. Oh, I must have hit the power. Whoops. Sorry. Jeez, sensitive much. Yeah, it drained out and it's going into spin. Shoot. Maybe they just got rid of it because of the front door seal spring there. Okay, so mommy washer finished. Let's see what baby washer does. Here we go. Baby washer. That's 3 towels. Let's put another one in there. It's filling. It's filling. I hear it doing something. What the? That thing is washing. You gotta see it drain though. Look at that little trickle. Little baby trickle. Well, shouldn't be much water in there anyway. He's spinning. Wow. Nope, it didn't drain that time. Oh no. Got baby washer drain problems. Wow, it finished. Look at that. Maybe it got off balance or something. I don't know. Well, there it goes. Okay. It's spinning. That's crazy. So, draining out. So, apparently this Sidekick baby washer has an alarm when you're supposed to put in fabric softener. I just read that online. I don't have the manual or anything, but apparently that's normal. You open it, put your fabric softener in, and then close it and start it back. I'm at a loss for words. Wow. It's just too small. Crap. Off to the parts dungeon. This door boot clamp is too small. I used to have a ton of these laying around, but they all got ruined. Dang. I don't see any more. I might just have to order the original one. I have one more, but it's about the same size. And as many of those things as I've thrown away, I haven't saved any. But maybe that's why they got rid of it. The boot come loose and they didn't have the clamp. Found out that the Sidekick beeps at you when it wants fabric softener. Ain't that something? $700 and it just goes beep, 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 like it wants something. Crazy. But yeah, I guess I'll have to order a boot clamp. They're only like $15, nothing to it. Sorry about the real direct drive washer noise. This is a direct drive. Look at that, 10-year warranty, amazing. But look at it, it's in its final spin. Spinning them out. Cool. Well, that's it. We just ran it. Big washer checked out fine. Mama washer. Baby washer checked out fine. Come to find out, I just don't know how to use baby washer. So I got a boot clamp on order and we'll slap it on there. Wow. The mama washer, $900. Baby washer, $700. We're talking almost $2,000 worth of washers. Wow. Hey, if you want the newest, coolest thing, I get it. Pretty cool, actually. And it actually washes and spins them pretty good. I don't need one, but pretty neat. Mama washer's working great, even with no boot clamp. So apparently you can turn the fabric softener alarm off by pushing and holding the two buttons over here. The water, warm water and extra rinse, if you hold them or something, or hit them a certain sequence. But also, here's a little drain doohickey, just like the upper washer. Neat. So if you get a drain problem with this one, you drain it out there. And if you get a drain problem with this one, you drain it out there. Cool. You know I gotta do it. Oh no, don't hose mama and baby. Got him.
Steamer, 10-year warranty, all the good stuff.
All right, we're about to double wash. We got bottom baby washer hooked up, mama washer hooked up. Got the double drain hooked up. Let's do it. Speed wash. And baby washer. Pow. See, look, there it goes. And then it stops, telling you that you need to put fabric softener in. That's a huge Ziploc baggie. What is that, like 10 gallons? Okay, so what I used to put these on is the actual LG pliers, but if you didn't have these, you could always just use two flatheads. I'll show you. All right. We'll see how this goes. Just like that. Pow, pow. Now, obviously, you don't want to use the sharpest flatheads, but these things are very durable and pretty strong. But that's how you get them on without the pliers. Nothing to it. Takes me back to those days when we had to wear a mask. Okay, so I literally did nothing. I'm waiting on the boot clamp for the door of the mama washer. And that's just how you run a LG direct drive 10-year warranty and an LG Sidekick baby washer. And we've made it to the end of the video. And that's what the key word is. Baby washer. Baby freaking washer. $700 of baby washer. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I love it. Apparently they've been out for a while. I've seen them once before, but it was on the bottom of a unit that needed a drain pump. So I never messed with it. It was just the top washer that had a problem. So, hey, pretty cool. Baby freaking washer. Oh, Lord, that's just too much for me. Too much to fail. Y'all have a great day. Later. 2 is 1 and 1 is none. Baby washer for the win. You thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.